What's up, guys? Today in this scooter video, my first video on this channel, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to slide your grips back on your scooter. So like on your scooter, if your grips, like the end of them right here is all the way over here, and over here it's like that. That's not good. You want to have them all the way back to the bar ends on each side. Well, I guess you could ride with that, but it's just annoying, and it's nice to know how to do. First, you're gonna need an air compressor, and so I'm not gonna do it. I already slide it back, but you're gonna use the air compressor, and you're gonna lift your you're gonna lift it up like that, and get a flap up like that, and you're gonna stick the air compressor thing in between it. It's like in between the bars and the grips. You're gonna flip a flap up like that, and you're gonna put it in there. Okay, and then you're just gonna blow, and it'll vibrate the grips a little bit. Well, you don't blow, you click the button to make the air compressor blow, and it'll vibrate the books a little bit, and you use your other hand and you slide them. It'll vibrate the books, you use your other hand and you slide it back, and that should usually work. So I hope you guys like that video. I should be making some more videos soon. This is my first video of the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.